Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with GitHub tutorial and we are going to see what is collaboration in GitHub. So like collaboration in simple way, if you have 50 developer, okay, in any project and they are working on any application to enhance some feature, and they have like all the developer have their own task, and they have assigned to enhance some feature, different features in for like your application, okay. So what they will do, they will create their own branch and they will start writing code. So whenever they are done with writing code and they think like that feature is ready, they will uh, create pull request and they will merge the code in the main branch, okay. So that is the collaboration here, but I have written this point, so let's go through this. GitHub facilitates collaboration among the developer and the team by allowing multiple contributors to work on the same project. So as I told you, like 50 developer will be working on the same project, same application, and they will be enhancing different kind of feature for the one application. So that is the things. This is the things that is known as collaboration. Developer can fork a repository to create their copy of the project, make changes in the fork, and they can create pull request, processing, merging their changes back into the original repository. So I will be showing you how to fork any repository as well. So feature like code review, issue tracking, and discussion in the pull request enable effective collaboration and communication. Okay. So pull request. A pull request is a mechanism for the proposing changes to a repository. Okay. So suppose why we need pull request here. Like suppose a developer is enhancing a feature, okay, for your application, and he think like he is done with enhancing the feature for your application. So what he will do, like he will like enhance the feature on their own branch. He will create their own branch and he will start writing his code, and once he think he is done, he will create one pull request. Then after that reviewer will review the code. If everything looks fine, then he will approve the merge request, pull request, sorry, and then after that anyone from your team, they can merge their that specific branch code to the main branch, okay. So that is the pull request main use case, okay. So PR is a way to initiate code review and discussion, okay. Other team member can review the changes, provide feedback, and discuss modification before merging. We have GitHub Action. So GitHub Action is a CI/CD pipeline that is offered by GitHub. Okay, GitHub Action is a automation framework integrated into the GitHub. It enables developer to define workflow and automate the task related to building, testing, and deploying. Action can be configured to respond to events such as code pushes or pull request, automating various aspects of the development process. Security and dependency scanning in GitHub. So GitHub provides security feature like scanning and dependency analysis to help identify and address security issues in code and third party dependencies. Okay. So community and open source. GitHub is a vibrant open source community. Many open source projects are hosted on GitHub, making a hub of discovering, okay, and contributing to open source software. Developer can fork open source repository, make changes, and contribute back to the project through pull request. Okay. So I hope you understand what is community and open source, security and dependency, what is GitHub Action. So we are going to see later on in the real time as well. So in the next video we will be seeing how we can create GitHub account, how we can authenticate with a GitHub, and how we can do a lot of things, okay, in the next video. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any query then do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.